Hello everyone, welcome back to the design lab. So today we are going to make this flange. We will use some new features here also, something known as a revolve for making this. As you can see, this is a circular part, and for circular part, if we make the half of it, this portion with the using of this center axis, we will revolve this. Okay. So first of all, we need that sketch to revolve the material. Then after that, we will subtract the material. First of all, we'll go for the solid part. So you need to SoliWorks. Let's see. So I'm taking a front plane like this. Here, as you can see, for revolve we need 2D sketch. So what we can do, we can maintain only the outer shape of this. Okay. Then using a center line, this axis, we will revolve the material. Okay, we'll create the solid. So what we can do, we can start sketching only the outer line of that drawing like this. Okay, now we'll start dimensioning. First of all, I'm taking this total height, which is 110. Now for revolving part, we need a center axis. So I'm creating a center line from the origin. Okay, now our center axis is created. Now I will show you a feature. I'm selecting this line and this axis. Look, it's automatically taking the diameter value. In SolidWorks, we have these features, so we don't have to calculate the radius value and have to put it manually. You can directly select these edges and SolidWorks will take it like a diameter. Okay, see, now this diameter 36, this one 22, 32 and 22. This is 32, this is 22, and this one also 22. Okay, now 48 and 78. This diameter 48 and this diameter 78. Okay, now I think all the diameter part is done. Now we go for the height values, width values. So we go for smart dimension. This width is mentioned over here 22 and this 64. This is 22, this one 64. Okay, and this width is mentioned 4 over here. Now we can give the internal width heights also. This one, the pocket heights, which is 30, 20 and 32. This is 30, 20 and this one last. Okay, now what we can do, we will make a relation this line control this one. See, now our sketch is fully defined, as you can see over here. Now what we can do, we can go to features and select revolve. See, it's automatically with the reference of axis, it's revolving 360. Make it okay, and our solid part is done. Now our 70% work is done. Now we can start the subtracting part. So first we'll make this PCD circles. PCD is given over here 140 and diameter 46 volts. Okay, so what we can do, let's select this face, sketch here. I'm taking a circle at the center and I'm converting it for constructions from here, and diameter value 140. Okay, like that. Now at this quadrant I'm taking a circle of diameter 14 and we can go for circular sketch pattern. This one. Now we'll increase the instances up to 6. Okay, we'll drag a little bit, see, and we'll just coincident with the origin. Now it's fully defined. Now we can directly go for extruded cut and through all. Okay. Now as you can see, there is a 2 threaded hole is there, M16 at a distance of 125, same face. So what we can do, we can again set this face and sketch this midpoint line from the origin. Okay, and I'm giving a distance of 125. Now we can convert this line into construction geometry, and over here I'm taking 2 points at these 2 ends as a sketch. Now we will use the option known as hole widget. We need a metric thread of M16. So from here we can select the hole type, this third one, hole, and we can keep the standard for ANSI metric and type for type drill. Okay, then you can select the required size. For us it's 16 M16. Okay, and I'm changing the end condition to true all. See, as you can see, it's taking, but it's taking at the center also. We don't want that. So what we can do, we can go for positions, and here instances to skip, just select this one like that and make it okay. Now as you can see, we made the threaded drill, but it's not showing. For that, what you can do, there is a feature called cosmetic threads, which only help us to visualize these threads. See, just hit OK. Still this is not visible. So what we can do, we can go for options. From here, document properties, detailing. From here, shaded cosmetic threads. Just turn it on and make it okay. Now see, it's visible. Okay, now this part is done. Now we'll come for this top part. So there is a slot, this one 14 into 12, from this to this thickness of 10. Okay, so what we can do, we can go for this face. I'm taking this center point state slot from this quadrant like this. Okay, I'm mentioning this width, it is 412, sorry, it's 14, and this point center to this distance. We need to change the arc condition from here to maximum. Now you can Now we can change, it is 12. Okay, now we can go for a circular pattern. We need 3, make it okay, and we will make it coincidence. Now it's fully defined. Okay, now go for extruded cut and change the condition of to surface and select the surface. Okay, now this slot is completed. Now we will create this inside slot. As you can see over here, width is given 24 and this will be 12 remaining same, but here from the top surface it's 10. So what we can do, we can go for a sketch at this face. Okay, I'll make a sketch over here. I'm selecting a center rectangle like this. Now we'll add relation, this one with this arc, make it coincident. Again this one with origin, make it vertical. Now we can start dimensioning. This one 24, year to year, like this. Okay, now we can go for circular pattern, change. Now you can select these 4 lines, change the instances into 3 like this. Okay, now we will make it fully constant by considering this one. Go to features, extruded cut. Here we need to change the condition to offset from surface. From this surface we need to offset 10 mm. Okay, make it okay and see, it will cut like that. From here to here is 10, and with this our 3D part is completed.